100 people who are going to see my video. Thank you for joining me here. I really apologize for yesterday because I didn't upload any video yesterday, and so I'm just going to replace it and upload a video today, which is Friday instead of Thursday. So today I'm going to give you guys a surprise a little bit, and as you can see it in title, it is kind of like a surprise stuff. So I will show you after this, and yeah, it's kind of like a vlog kind of, because we want to buy that stuff, and it's kind of like a vlog. So yeah, I will tell you what is the thing that we are going to buy, and I'm going to unbox that stuff, unbox that thing, and you guys will know what is it, and we keep the best for last. So yeah, see you in the next shot.
Baby strawberry.
Bye bye, Xbox. So as I was saying, I was going to show you something that is a surprise. I mean, this stuff that is right beside me, and I'm so excited, and it's kind of like a birthday present. So yeah. So ready to reveal it in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Okay, here and again. Wait, who's that? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got PS4 with a free FIFA 18 game in it, and it's kind of like a game hall. So game hall, and this is one, and every PS4, every console has a controller in it. So this baby has a controller. Is singular. So we bought an extra. So that is one. Let's put it aside. And so we have this FIFA 18 stuff. I don't know what is that. I don't really like the plain, like a black plain controller. So I bought this. It's like a cover, like a silicone skin protector for the controller. And yeah, I bought 2 of them. And yeah, this is we just got it. This too, we just got this for free, and I don't really like this color because my least favorite color is green. So yeah, so let's put it aside. And this one, so I'm going to open this, and then I'll open the real stuff. I look like an idiot. Da 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 la. Look at this. Feel the texture. Feel it. Oh my god, this feels so smooth. We have like a light thing. This is controller V2 stuff, like PS4 controller and the V2 edition. I don't know what does that called, but I'm sure there's a V2 stuff. And yeah, I won't going to show you some review. Oh, is it a light? I won't show you some review or something like that. I'm just going to do an unboxing because I'm so excited and I can't wait for something like this. And yeah, let's open this. I'll just lower it. So yeah, this one. Let's see here. Oh, my idol, my football idol, kinda. Let's open it. When you open this stuff, wait, PS4 or something like that with a FIFA, we have like the journey. So I never played like FIFA story mode or something like this. So yeah, as you can see at the back, He's kind of like a Cristiano Ronaldo doing his celebration, and oh my god! And here I'll show you the full. This is the PS4, probably like limited edition stuff. I don't know. I just guess it. And the back we have the world skin. We have FIFA Ultimate Team, FIFA the Journey, Hunter Returns. So instead of FIFA 17, we have like the Journey Part 1 kinda. And this is Cristiano Ronaldo doing its celebration. Look at how crazy this stuff is. The stains, oh my god. I will open this. Let's see what we got. So yeah, let's open this. So if you opened it, I'm going to show you your side. So if you open it, it's like this. Yeah. I want to make a story. Give me a moment. This is the thumbnail. Camera's crooked. Okay, there. This is probably the main box. This one is just the cover box or something like that. This is the main box. The main box. So should be doing like thumbnail. So it has like an opening spot over here. So let's open it. Oh, I have a paper cut. So it's like, I'll give you my point of view. So it's like this. You open it. You see some cables and stuff. Okay, so the first thing is the controller. There, so put it there. I'm just going to make it easy. So just put it in here. And the next one is cables. I don't know what cables is. This is probably like my brother's stuff. So cables. There. It's probably like an HDMI cable. I don't know. This is an earphone, Sony earphone. You want to see the real baby? The real baby is right here. Wait. Here. See this? Oh my god. This stuff is so cool. So I'm just, oh my god. It's a paper cut, so I'm just going to give. So let's see here. Oh my god. This stuff is a baby. So it has like cardboard stuff. So just open both of it. Oh, you can see like the sided. Open it. There, you see this? Wait, you haven't seen the logo. So it says Sony, like the off button, PS4. Kind of like that. And when you see the bottom's like the pyramid, box, X, circle. So yeah. So I'm just going to cover it back up, and that's it. So this is FIFA 18 is get free. So this is actually a bundle. So this is it. There. You just don't get a free game. You get a free game and a free cat you get a free cat in it. So this is my brand new cat. Her name is, I know her name. So yeah, so bye. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what should I do next. And yeah, new schedule. I post video every Thursday, and I apologize for today because I just post a video today. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you click here to do no, make sure you here to see my last video. Make sure you see here. Make sure you tap here. Make sure you do that to do your assignment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.